Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this settings button. Here we can open the advanced camera settings. And at the first place, as you can see, we have the watermark option, so let's tap on it. Now we can add the timestamp on photos and also the device watermark. By using these buttons from the right, we can turn them on and off. As you can see, we can add just one of these, we can add both at the same time. And with the device watermark, we have also connected an extra one, the custom, so when we pick it, we can add our own watermark. For example, let me write here hard reset and save. But remember that the custom is connected with the device, so when we turn off the device, the custom is locked. So if you want to add your own watermark, you have to pick the device with the custom one. Now let me keep turning on all of these watermarks. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture to see them at the real one. And to see the photo now, let's move to the left to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. The watermark appears in the bottom. So from the left we have XIAOMI Mi 11 device watermark with hard reset, the custom one, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course, when we don't need them, we can go back to the camera, then tap to the right corner, move to the left to this settings button, tap on the watermark option and use these buttons to turn them off. So for now, when we take another picture, the watermarks should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.